Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail without using Photoshop. We all do everything in Vegas Pro software. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already imported 3 images in this project media section. I downloaded this before from Google. Now I simply drag the first one and scratch it like this. And the second image, we use this as our background. Now I simply drag and drop it in this timeline under this image. Alright. Now I select my first image and click on this little icon which is called Event Pan Crop. And then check this mask. And from the left, select this anchor creation tool and masking the image like this. Look, our background is just removed. So once you are done, simply close this. Now to fix this image with this background, simply select the image and right click on this. And from swatches, uncheck this maintain aspect ratio. Alright. Now I go to the video effects and search for picture in picture. And to drag and drop it this plugin in this image. Alright. Now I simply resize it like this and set it right here. Alright. Now I insert a new video track in timeline and inserted new text media. And this time I simply type X-Men new movie trailer. Now I select everything and set text size in 20. And from this drop down menu, I choose font, Captain American font. Now I resize it like this and set this text block position right here. And text color, I just simply set it in red. Alright. And from the timeline, I just simply scratch it like this. And from this project media section, I just simply set this logo right here. But before this, I just simply create a new video track and drag and drop it right here. And from the video effects, drag and drop it this picture in picture plugin. And set this logo just in this position. Now to save this as an image file, simply click on this little save icon which is called Save Snapshot to File. I just simply click on this and select destination folder desktop and hit on save. And yes, we are done. Here it is. Awesome, right? In this way, using Vegas Pro, you can easily create different type of YouTube thumbnail just in a minute. Thank you so much for watching.